I am Yogesh Rastogi. I have come here from Delhi. I have a severe lung disease, ILD. It was most, I found that all allopathy, homeopathy treatment which I am taking for 10 years is not resulting in any improvement in disease level. So I thought of trying nature cure. For this purpose, I have been staying in Atmaneem for last 10 days and following their therapy, various type of hot massages and nasal treatment, steam treatment, foot massages, acupressure, acupuncture, and I found tremendous improvement in my condition, physical condition. And 3 more benefits which I got from here is, in Delhi it is very cold nowadays. Here the weather is pleasant, which is tolerable for a person like me. Second, Delhi we have very high pollution, which is disturbing for lungs patient. Here pollution level is minimal, which is also affecting my health towards a better side. Third is treatment and the food restrictions, and we are getting food as in the form of medicine, which also probably is helping in improvement in physical condition. When I came here, I cannot walk for more than 5 meters. Today morning, I walked around 500 meters. That is the effect of 10 days stay over here. And I feel that a routine follow-up 6 monthly or yearly with nature care may, if not deteriorate, then at least maintain my physical condition, which is very good for patients like me. So experience at Atmaneem Nature Care is good, and I hope it will definitely prolong my life. Thank you.